some point in time, that 6 element 6-meter beam is going to come off and go below Hex Beam. Hex Beam still has to raise about another 6 foot, I guess, or 5 foot. So the 6 element beam will go under that.
Good day, family and friends. Ira Harris here. Welcome to the channel. Well, man, guess what? We got part 2. Yes, part 2. Remember, hey, a couple weeks back, we saw Leon and Chris working on that Hex Beam, putting it up. Well, guess what? We got part 2. Part 2, y'all. We're going to see we get this 6-meter beam right under that Hex Beam. So all that is going on there in Trinidad and Tobago TNT. So let's take a look and see the Caribbean hams in action. All right, man, I appreciate you guys joining us here again today.
All right, time to take down the 6-meter beam to transfer across the up there. That is the plan for the day so far, weather permitting. Again, 9Z4 BM up on the tower there. Need to refurbish this. This roof needs to be washed as we up here. We will wash this roof and this antenna. 204 BA will strap down. I've been on this roof for many years. It has served this purpose. Let me break a couple with records. But we have achieved what we wanted to achieve on 20 meters, so time for the other bands, I guess. We have that satellite antenna there too to put up at some point in time.
Alright, Leon here, 904 BM up on Chris's 9x4, the second tower. I have a 6 element for 6 meters. And a 4 element for 6 meters. And as the tower, the Hex Beam was working on before, got all of that. So now time to take down this 6 element, and then we're gonna put the 6 element right underneath the Hex Beam up there. So that is the plan today. Alright, 6 element for 6 meter down from the tower, and now the 4 element for 6 meters to come down. Alright, 4 element for 6 meters down on the ground. Second tower, no antennas anymore. Alright, Chris up on the tower, on the roof there. Was widening the holes to put in a bigger pipe brackets for the 6 element 6 meter beam, so we could put it up on this tower. The pipe on this tower a little fatter than up there, so a smaller bit. Should have a 1/4 inch.
Alright, this guy is getting ready to go back up. As usual, Mr. Leon up there, getting ready to accept it. Now, this might be a little concerning to me, but oh, good Lord. Oh, my Lord. Stuff is always so nerve-wracking to me. Oh Lord, I hope that bracket fits. That's supposed to hold that rail snug. We're going to offset it 90 degrees, eh? I'll tell you where to put it. We'll offset it 90 degrees. I want North America, Europe now. Yeah. I'll have to turn the antenna to north to confirm everything.
Alright, so Chris feel a little sorry for me. So we're going to have to put on the coax there onto these 6 element meters. See if I could go out a little bit. Yep. So the 6 element LFA, actually I built that LFA there, right on the Hex Beam. Alright. The second tower, no antennas on it. Supposed to put the Explorer, high gain Explorer 14 up on that one when you clean it up. Alright, Wi-Fi 4D, Chris up on the tower. Yeah, the old man still have life in him. Yeah, me, I getting too much older for this crap. It's a phobia.
6 meter beam up under the Hex Beam, as you said. $90 offset. So I guess we could have 6 meters in 3 different directions when we're finished. When the 4 element is back up, we have 3 different directions and rotatable on both of them. So the other tower is bare now. 2 meters to go there, as I said before, the 4 element and also the Explorer 14. And I think we should be completed.